In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see all live videos you have ever watched on Facebook. You can simply see your live video watch history on Facebook in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Facebook. On the Menus page, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down into the section of your activity. Then select the first option of Activity Log. On this page, scroll down and tap on Logged Actions and Other Activity. Then scroll down onto the option of Live Videos you have watched. You will see all your live videos watch history just right here. That's how easy it is to see live videos you've watched ever since you joined Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.